Tracking your Best Buy order. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your Best Buy order. So the process is very simple. You first have to go at Google web browser and search for Best Buy. And after searching for Best Buy, you have to go to their website, which is bestbuy.com. Now in the Best Buy, you simply have to log into your account if you have one, but you can do this without logging in as well. You just have to go to this order status option. After that, this page will pop up. You just have to tap on the continue, and after continue, as you can see, either you log to your account, and if you have one, now you can also add by finding a guest order. So for that, you have to click on continue, and after that, clicking on continue, here you have to fill out the details. For example, order number, last name, and phone number, and then you have to continue. And that's how you will be able to use it, and you will be able to track your Best Buy order. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.